And now we can have conversation together as you have learned all the words and vocabulary from lesson 15. Let's talk together. Please answer my questions. How far do you live from the coast? Do you remember the last time you had a fever? Name the famous kingdoms or monarchies of the world. What do you like in your sandwich? How much do they charge you for motorway tolls in your country? How often do you go to the dentist for preventive checkups? Have you ever missed a train? How much do you pay for electricity per month? What was the best vacation of your life? What have you eaten today? And now create questions or any sentence from following words. Involve, movement, squeeze, neck, accept. And now I will read a dictation. Write it down and then read it out loud. We wanted to do a tour of Fogel Castle, but ended up spending the whole afternoon on the coast. Gabi bought a beautiful necklace from the local street vendors, and my sister collected seashells to decorate her painting. We enjoyed the vacation a lot, even though we each gained 2 kilos at least. Doesn't matter. I won't eat much next month.